What an incredible find. This is absolutely beautiful with it just 11,000 miles. Amazing car, great value for money, great reliability and great build quality. Kia Sportage 2 CRDI ISG, sounds a bit of a mouthful. CRDI is the 1.6 diesel, 134 brake horsepower. ISG is idle, stop, go, if you didn't realise what ISG meant. So ISG is idle, stop, go, basically stop start system. 7-speed automatic, beautiful colour, love the colour. Pent metal grey they call it, Pent grey. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how beautiful this car is. Rear parking sensors, reverse camera, and just look at that colour when the sun just catches it. Massive boot on these, great load carrier. That is just huge. Split folding rear seat, rear luggage cover. It's got the boot protector in there as well. Car comes with a spare wheel. All the toolkit there complete, including the locking wheel bolt. Massive space in there. The car is totally unmarked. It is absolutely beautiful all the way around. All the wheels as you see them. This is how the cars come in. No damage to the wheels. Rear privacy glass, roof rails. Totally unmarked in the bodywork. No dents, scratches, dings or scrapes anywhere. Again, close up of the near side front wheel. As you can see, all in beautiful condition. We've just fitted 2 matching Continental tyres. So matching tyres all the way around. Full close up across the front. There might be the odd very tiny stone chip, but nothing whatsoever to talk about really. And this is why we did the video, is to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency, nothing is left to chance. You know exactly what you're buying before you even come from your home. Again, the driver's wheel, again with a new tyre on there, as you can see. These are amazing value for money. And again, the final wheel and tyre, plenty in there. All the door trims absolutely perfect. You've also got heated rear seats as well. Look at the legroom there, plenty of legroom, plenty of space. Black cloth upholstery, all unmarked, non-smoker's car. Centre armrest with the cup holders. All the headlining absolutely perfect. As I mentioned, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, all controlled from there. Leather multifunction steering wheel. All the upholstery as you would imagine for 11,000 car. Big storage there with the centre armrest. And there we have the mileage, 11,765. That's all it's done, 11,765. Full service history, serviced every year regardless of the mileage. All the trims, all the dashboard, all unmarked. Nice big clear screen. Reverse camera. Navigation. DAB radio. All the stations just listed there, just scroll through, all finger touch. Great sound system on the vehicle. The full menu there, just scroll across there. all these to follow through. Can you adjust the sound where you want it, which speaker, front, back, middle, bass, treble, all very easy to control. Bluetooth phone connection. Dual zone climate control. Get that set individually or dual. Heated front seats. USB aux input. Auto hold. Drive modes. So you've got a sport mode or just normal drive. Navigation.
Showing current location on map.
Voice activation. Phone menu. Display in front of you. Cruise control speed limiter. Folding mirrors. Put your glasses away in there. So there we have it, our beautiful low mileage Kia Sportage 1.6 diesel automatic in outstanding condition with 11,700 miles, full service history. We welcome part exchange. Great files available direct from ourselves. Check out our online reviews and see why customers come back to us time and time again. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Remember, you can reserve this car 24/7 off the website. Click and reserve. Come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further details. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you reserve it and you don't like the car when you arrive, feel like it's been misdescribed, we'll refund the money, no questions asked. Just an amazing car with such low mileage. If you don't want to miss it, give us a call on 01782 822 700. We're open Monday to Saturday, closed on Sundays. If you've got a part exchange, please give us a call with all the details. Alternatively, fill out the details on the website for your part exchange. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.